Karen's asking, do you like merchant words? And my answer for that is no.
Yeah,
Merchant,
me
you should
neither.
not be using merchant words.
Yeah.
It's very interesting. You can run this test yourself. I've seen a video of I can't remember who it was, but they had a merchant words CSV export from 1 year previous for a search phrase, and then 1 year later they came back and did the exact same search, and they got the exact same results with the exact same search results estimates and everything like that. So I mean, that to me just tells me that it's complete garbage.
Well,
You can't
so
really argue with that.
yeah, the thing that's kind of crummy is that Amazon just closed the data point for keyword volume. So no tools have volume anymore, which makes things a little bit harder. Now it's kind of a guess. Like for our listing lightning tool, we have an algorithm that we built that does a really, really good job of telling you what the most important phrases are in terms of like volume and relevancy. But of course, it's a guess. And if any other tool says, "Oh no, we've got it dialed in," they're full of shit, because everybody's using. It's just like Jungle Scout or Viral Launcher, any of these tools that they're collecting data and then using that data and putting it through their own algorithm and making a guess on what these things are. Especially now that that keyword volume's gone. So just be really cognizant of that when you're using different tools. The cool thing is, our seller SEO keyword tool used to have volume, which was cool because you could take volume and then look at the competition and figure out like what keywords were low competition, high volume. Now that we lost the volume, that sucks because you can't find those gems anymore. But still use or that tool is still really useful because the competition number is usually going to be pretty close to what the volume is going to be. So in other words, if that keyword has the most competition, generally, not always, but generally those keywords are going to be the keywords with the highest volume.